My video is about removing the ransomware called LethalLock. LethalLock is a ransomware targeting many Windows computers all over the world today. This ransomware is able to damage the files that people store on their hard drives. Before the ransomware's attack, there are no troubles opening any file types. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this LethalLock ransomware may be very easily injected into the system, and so very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts files and also appends a special extension to the file names. So these are the results of the ransomware's attack. First of all, you see this pop-up window titled as solution note. Basically, this is the window that contains the ransomware note, indicating that the files are encrypted and that supposedly the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. But I urge you not to pay the ransom and not to waste your money. So there is no point paying the ransom because there is no guarantee that your data will be restored if you pay the ransom. Also, the ransomware changes the desktop background, as you can now clearly see. And finally, it also appends the extension called LethalLock to the file names. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install it and start researching the system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of the ransomware and other threats. So do not skip that very important step. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, the software begins researching your system, and at the end of the scan you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their exact location. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium. This way you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking regarding file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.